Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add shapes to your image on the Darkroom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the select image button and new you can select a photo from your gallery and click to the peep button, and here go to the second option, the shapes, at the bottom of the page, and here you can find different different shapes. For example, click to the star button and you can edit the stroke, you can add the invert option, you can set the rotation, the corners, and the star radius and corner radius. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.